It's our 580th video and I'm Lalia, Sanskriti Kolkata's cotton collection once again on high demand, back again with our cotton dhamaka, Bengal handlooms and embroidery saris. I'll start with a Resham check applique sari, a very pretty Resham kota sari with applique done. Green and yellow color combination, very fine finishing in the applique. This is machine work. Price 3250 and it has a running blouse, but do not cut the blouse piece, just wear it with any contrast blouse. These are no blouse piece saris. Very less material is there for the blouse, so better to wear it with any other printed cotton blouse or any other blouses. See, this is the actual color, Resham kota. Very smart looking saris with prominent neat applique work, and the color is also very nice, very breathable fabric, and it has a self checkered texture, checkered weave with this applique work. This is number 1. Color options. Even in these kotas, you know, there is thread count. Like these are the good quality kotas जो फोल्ड के बाद भी ये कट नहीं जाएगा और ये वाला आप रहकर पहन सकते हैं. दिस अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी कोटा, रेशम चेक कोटा, a pink and grey color combination without blouses. Best would look good with these printed blouse, you know, the pink and white cotton printed blouse. इसमें अस्तर नहीं लगता है, बहुत comfortable साड़ी है, all over ऐसा applique जाएगा. Next one is this coral color. बहुत ज़्यादा ही खूबसूरत कलर है ये. हम थोड़ा ऐसे पकड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरा व्हाइट साड़ी के साथ ना ये कोटा थोड़ा सा लाइट दिख रहा है, लेकिन एक्चुअल कलर इज दिस. इट्स अ नाइस रस्टिश कोरल कलर. इट्स अ इन बिटवीन अ पीच पिंक कलर, ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी कलर. बस रनिंग बॉर्डर जाएगा. दिस इज द बैक साइड. ओके, ये बैक साइड है. आप थोड़ा बैक साइड भी देख लीजिए. पूरा ऐसा काम जा रहा है. नीट फिनिशिंग. कलर ऑप्शन डीप पिंक. हर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत खूबसूरत लाया है. ये वाला डीप पिंक के साथ स्लेट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. जो थोड़ा हल्का साड़ी पसंद करते हैं, जिसको लाइट वेट साड़ीज पसंद है, ज़्यादा हैवी साड़ी बॉर्डर्स नहीं कैरी कर सकते, उसके लिए ये बहुत सुंदर होगा. क्योंकि ये जो टक इन पार्ट है ना, यहाँ पे बॉर्डर नहीं है, तो ये तो अंदर चला जाएगा. बाकी पूरा एंड तक ये बॉर्डर आएगा. और ये लीफ प्रिंट के साथ पिंक. कॉटन्स हमारा बहुत इन डिमांड है. इवन इन विंटर वी सेल अ लॉट ऑफ कॉटन्स. कॉटन्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर हमारा चलता है, क्योंकि वी मेक lot of fusion sarees in cotton, pure cottons. Like me, those who like pure cottons, they definitely think of Sanskriti before buying. We are a 29-year-old fashion house in Baliganj, Kolkata. We ship worldwide. The shipping charges you need to pay. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. First come, first serve basis. After you make the payment, we'll confirm your booking, and the delivery will be within 8 to 9 working days in India. Outside India, via courier within after your extra services, if you want the blouses to be stitched and all details, you will also receive that within 10 days. So we are quick in our delivery. You can check out our reviews in the WhatsApp status. And this is so pretty, the checkered woven cotton with Katha border. A very, very smart finish Bengal cotton sari with upper C. We've done a smart concept of check temple applique in the upper border and lower border, and the pallu with Katha work, and here goes the blouse piece. Cotton fusion, amazing collection of our cotton saris. White color with a leaf green woven border. This is our Tangail sari from Bengal, from the Fulia district. Bengal sari. These kind of cottons are very rare. See the beautiful woven border with Katha work, keeping the beauty of the weave. We've just added Katha embroidery in long panels throughout the sari. This is how the work will be. See, a very sober white color sari without blouses. Very pretty. We have 2 borders in this, 2 color options. Borders are different but very pretty borders. Bengal cottons. With handwork. Very nice. The saris itself is a bit expensive because these are all with woven hand borders. Patchwork sari applique in cotton, Bengal cotton. Zari check Bengal cotton in multiple patchwork fabrics used with ajrak, handloom, gamcha check, Gujarati, those वीविंग साड़ीज, बहुत सारा पैचवर्क करके ये वाला बनाया हुआ है. बहुत कलरफुल लग रहा है और समरी, वेरी प्रोमिनेंट, ब्यूटीफुल बॉर्डर. And here is the pallu part. Just remember, we can take order, but the patches will keep changing. Not possible to get the same patches. This is a eco-friendly, very pretty sari, and it comes with a matching blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border patches. This is just the extra fabric which you can cut out or stitch inside when you're doing the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Number 10, another lovely Kutchwork sari. This is so beautiful. Previous Kutchwork episode was, we received immense beautiful good response. So few more collection has come. These had not come during the 578th video. So I'm showing them in the 588th video. This is so beautiful with again a woven border and Kutchwork embroidery along the border. Lot of work done in each of these sarees and with a weaving border. This is so beautiful. Here is the achol part which has also work and the cotton work blouse piece. I love these sarees. I love cottons, and cottons are so comfortable, sustainable fashion, and this is the work closely. So many employees involved in weaving the handloom sarees along with the embroidery work. So overall it's beautiful. Half and half cotton katha. See how lovely it's looking. So this can be a collection for Ashtami or for any pujo purpose at home. If you have any pujo at home for your personal use, or this white and red combination is always throughout the year in demand. Kolkata shopping, Kolkata fashion, Kolkata sarees, hashtag. So always in demand. We love these sarees and we love our white and red combinations. Similar one, I'll be showing you a white and black. Actually this is off-white. See the amount of work that has gone into each saree. See, lot of work, very smart piece, and this also comes with a black matching blouse piece. Cotton mix match sarees. Look at the aanchol. Superb, lot of work. See the amount of work. If these would have been in tussar, all above 10,000. For those who wants to avoid black, red, oranges, so this is a very sober sari, beautiful sari. Today we have many black and whites for lawyers. We have many customers who want black and white saris for court. Very pretty. See this green black with a green woven border, Bengal cotton, and geometric pattern, lovely katha. Without blouse piece. Whichever blouses I'm not showing are without blouses. See this black and white, so beautiful. This is off-white though, not milk white. Very pretty, beautiful sari. Cotton katha, 3990 cotton katha, and with a temple woven border. All Bengal cotton. Cottons are also Bengal. Today's episode, Bengal handloom and Bengal cotton embroideries. A check cotton with block print and katha pallu. So this is a fusion sari in a woven check fabric where we've attached this border for finishing. We've done a hand block print in the border. We have mix matched katha work in the aanchol, and we've given you a katha blouse piece fabric. So katha pallu, katha blouse in a pure cotton sari. Another very smart looking ajrak patchwork sari in cotton. So we always try to create these kind of fusion mix match cottons, designer cottons, good thoda hatke cottons. We have similar kurtis and sets also. Visit our Cornfield Road branch as well as our Jamil Lane branch. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, where you will get similar type of menswear collection also for couple sets, as well as our jewelry section. Tailoring unit is there in both the branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays closed, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. This is a woven sari, black and white, white and black. Panel concept with totally woven sari. It's a very smart piece. This part has been attached in this white fabric, off-white with black weave, black with white weave. So this parts are attached with blouse. Now I'll show you some Kora muslin in two-tone color. Muslin organza, Korath weave, Bengal woven, okay? Dual tone peacock blue-green color. Peacock blue-green color. With the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. It's a little darker tone than the body color. So this is the sari, very pretty. Again, I would suggest not to cut the blouse. You can always wear a contrast blouse because muslin, this is so pretty. See, this is the color. It's a beautiful weave. Range wise also pretty reasonable depending on the concept. These will be semi-transparent because it's muslin. Lovely, and the color combination is so beautiful with all over Korath weave with touch of zari, off-white weaving, white weaving throughout the sari, and it's a dual tone color in a peacock blue-green, lovely muslin Bengal weave. I love this, and semi-transparent because of the fabric. It's muslin, obviously it will be semi-transparent, but very, very, very pretty color combination. Comes with blouse piece. Again, another sari. You can make the blouse of this, but because the fabric is different than the muslin one. See, this is the fabric. The blouse piece fabric is in a chanderi. Even the previous one was in a chanderi fabric, little darker than the normal shade of the sari, which will look nice actually. Very pretty lilac color, very pretty muslin, especially the colors. The colors are so pretty, and I'm not holding it against my sari because it will show lighter. Actual color is a lovely piece. So because of the light, anyway, it's showing a bit lighter, because if I put it against my white sari, it will show more lighter. So that's why I'm just keeping it on the wooden floor. This is the blouse piece. And very nice weave. The weave is so pretty. That's why I'm sure this is, I love this. And I have another lemon color. So all the colors are pastel shades and ideal for the summer weave. Summer season, halka color hai, bahut khoobsurat. See this color also, lemon one. Very, very nice. Yes, it has this lovely blouse piece. I think you make the blouse, you know, because this color matching will be very difficult, and it has such lovely borders. Both the side and the fabric is thicker than the muslin one, so definitely you can go and make the blouse. So this is the lemon color. And my favorite, white. Nothing can beat a white muslin jamdani. Nothing can beat it. Evergreen. One is the white chicken and one is the white muslin jamdani. Always, everywhere you go, you will never go wrong with this white muslin jamdani. Be it morning occasion, be it evening occasion, this is the blouse piece. Be it wedding, anywhere, you know, this is always the icing in the cream. Icing in the cake, I mean. So this is a very, very beautiful sari. Very beautiful. And especially because of the gold touch weave along with the Resham white, milk white weave. Now I'll show you one very nice cotton weaving. It is a tribal weave. Very nice sari with multicolor pallu. The pallu is the richness in the sari, and it will come from the body actually, you know. From the body the weave will come. Very fashionable piece, little more than the half. The body will be in black weave with the red palla, and here is the half sari weave. See the texture, the concept, very nice. It is a stable cotton, little blended cotton to give it a rich jet black look, and the colors used are vibrant, gorgeous colors. Comes with a running blouse piece. Now in between these, I'm just showing you few Kachwork Sambalpuris because of high demand. Again, I wish these had come during the Kachwork episode, but this is, I don't want to miss it and delay, because every time I get inquiries about Tussar Kachwork Sambalpuris. This is the blouse piece. Pure Tussar Ikkat border weaving with all over mirror work blouses, sari in a virgin color tussar. Orissa handloom with embroidery and stunning pallu. This is just amazing. Super amazing sari with a nice, see the end border work also. The saris are so gorgeous, so pretty. Next is this pink border, few color option border I'll be giving you. The pink border is equally stunning. The two sleeves and the back will also have the work. And here goes the open sari. Do subscribe to our channel if you like our products, and comment कैसा लगा. साड़ी मिलने के बाद ज़रूर एक रिप्लाई कीजिएगा, एक फीडबैक मुझे हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे आपसे. और हमारा फेसबुक लाइव होता है संस्कृति कोलकाता फेसबुक पेज से, सो वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन करके अलग अलग वैरायटी साड़ीज यू कैन ऑल्सो सी फ्रॉम द फेसबुक लाइव वीडियोस. दिस मरून कलर border is again amazing, very nice maroon color border. Sambalpuri tussar with hand embroidered Kachwork number 25 with the blouse piece. Today I've got some other products to show as well, like cushion covers and dupattas, because all are hand embroideries. And from our Gharonda collection. See the pallu. This is so pretty and superb color combination in pure tussar. And this turquoise. All the colors are exceptionally beautiful. Very pretty. Very pretty sari, and here is the pallu. Now I'll show you a very pretty tussar katha dupatta. So today's episode is a bit mix match episode, because I want to show there are so much inquiries about katha dupatta, especially for gifting. A tie and dye tussar katha dupatta, full length 36 inches width 2.5 meters. 2990 pure tussar, 2990 pure tussar tie and dye katha dupatta. We have ample collection of these, so if you want to see a video call or buy pictures, please WhatsApp. We'll connect you to the concerned department to show you the pictures of the kurtis, suits, kathas, the jackets, anything you want to see. But this dupatta is a pure tussar 2990 shaded tie and dye tussar full length dupatta. The next one that I'll show you is one of my favorite, and I've worn one of these in the Poila Boishak also. So this is a lovely pure silk chanderi weaving, tissue woven. Silk chanderi tissue woven with hand work border in the sleeves. This is actually, you can wear it as a dress or as a suit with a dupatta or a bottom, or as a dress. It's a very, very classy piece, and I'll show you how to wear this. Look at the details of the latkan. All handmade, lovely latkans, and this is how the set will go. It's a Angarakha style dress, and you don't need to wear anything inside. It's with lining, with work, hand embroidered, full border. It's a with a silver, goldenish silver, not the whitish silver. Very pretty weaving dress. Even the back part will also have this work running. It's a, can you see, it's a flared dress, Angarakha dress, flared one. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. Pure silk chanderi tissue woven. The price of this is 7,800. 7,800 is the price of the dress or a kurta Angarakha. It's a very, very fashionable piece, very smart piece. Here there is the button system. It's a very nice piece. And one of my favorite, I've kept one for myself also, is this white color pure hand woven handloom linen by Linen Bengal, made with running blouse piece. Just amazing piece, a very pretty border. The border weave is so beautiful, and here comes the running blouse piece. You can wear a black blouse with the border, or a charcoal grey black printed blouse with the border. This pallu is just superb. Price of this pure linen with butta 4,700. I have another shade which is a brick red color, rustish color. Exactly a wet brick, a fresh new brick which is wet, that color. It's a very, very nice color actually. A dark coral you can see, and here is the blouse piece. 4,700, two color options. Bengal woven, hand woven linen, and look at the aanchol. What a sari. Just too beautiful, just too beautiful. Superb color combination. Next, I'll show quickly some handwork. Cushion cover 16 by 16. Handwork katha cushion cover 16, size 16 inches by 16 inches, number 27. 995, set of 4. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4 piece, anything. You can mix and match two colors also. 995 each. Quickly, I'll show you the colors. These are all pure cottons. 995 each. This is the back side for the cushion to be put. Like you can use 2 blacks and 2 reds also. All cushion cover 16 by 16. To check out our bed covers, dohers, quilts and other hand home products, so you can visit our Cornfield Road branch for these kind of varieties for gifting, and all these are ideal pieces for gifting and all also. All handwork, hand embroidered pure cotton cushion covers. Now this is very pretty sari dupatta, again tie and dye tussar. Prices mentioned, just take this screenshot for booking. Tie and dye pure tussar katha dupatta. Tie and dye pure tussar dupatta. Katha handwork dupatta. Number 34. Tie and dye tussar dupatta. Katha. Tie and dye dupatta. Silk. All these are pure fabrics. Tussar, silk. Tussar. You can use this as runner, jackets, tablecloth, blouse pieces, of course, and these are dupattas. Cotton dupatta, 100% pure cotton full length dupatta with folk embroidery, Golpo Katha, Worli embroidery, 2000 I think now, yeah, 2000 prices, cottons. Cotton Katha dupatta red. Super border Katha work with buta, pure cotton dupattas, full length dupattas. Black again, cotton Katha dupattas. All over work in only rupees 2000 with so much of embroidery and very good quality cotton. Look at this, another stunning piece, ideal for gifting. The amount of labor that a karigar puts in is so much more than the price we pay them. What do you say? The material, the labor, the polishing, the drawing, so much of things involved in one dupatta. And just not border concept, it's full work. Lastly, I'll quickly show one sari before I end the video. ये सब last में आया, so थोड़ा सा mixed collection हो गया. This is again another stunning hand woven sari with hand kutch work. Just love the border and the design, handwork. Very simple sari but very very pretty, comes with this blouse piece. It's very stunning piece, handloom sari with blouse piece, price 4500 with a woven border, woven body and full mirror work embroidery throughout the sari with a rich blouse piece. 4500. And lastly, the one that I'm wearing a hand painted Kerala cotton sari, hand painted Kerala cotton. Blouse piece will be running. The blouse piece sleeves will have 2 flowers in the sleeves. This is the pallu. Simple sari but color combination is very striking and it's totally hand painted by a very very cute young girl. How do you like it? The concept of painting. I'm wearing with a printed blouse. You can also wear it with a printed blouse or the running blouse that's coming with the sari. Thank you so much for watching. And before I end, I keep forgetting about the neck piece. The neck piece I'm wearing is 1400 without a earring. 1400 is the neck piece price. Thank you so much.